Welcome back to Tech 53. Today, new product alert. Stainless steel braided lines to replace all the hard lines on A1 chassis cars. That's right. So, all the A1 chassis cars except the caddy because of the length of the bed and the rear is not exactly the same length. The kit comes with 4 lines, the proper length to go from the master to the anchor points on the body to go to the flex line. So we're keeping a separate flex line. So if there's any problems or anything like that, you can go and get an OEM flex line to get you out of a bind, or reorder another flex line instead of having the whole line replaced. So we're just replacing the hard lines themselves. It comes with the proper fittings in order to go on the late model master or the early model master independently. So these are at 45, these are straight out. It doesn't matter, they're flexible, right? So if you take a look, they go through exactly the same spot as the OEM, and they anchor to the body and they mate to the flex line at the back here and on the other side here. It's simple, effective, and clean. Right now you can see they're just mocked up. Also, the longest one, which is the right rear, has enough length to go and route it along the firewall like it goes with the OEM clips and everything to go to the master. That's it. Simple. Get your kits today. Limited stock. So buy it now.